Hongye Precise Machinery Company, also named ZYN, is established in 1997, is a professional enterprise of manufacturing zipper machines, and shoes machines. ZYN is the enterprise gathering R&D, manufacturing, sales, and service. The enterprise covers space around 10,000 square meters. All products have passed CE certification and more than 100 patents. In terms of production, we have undergone strict quality inspections from material procurement to parts processing, to product storage and delivery. The products will export many countries, and ZYN has been committed to provide the stable quality products and the most attentive service. Our advantages is providing a complete supply chain for metal zipper, nylon zipper, resin zipper, all zipper machines, zipper accessories, and shoes making machines. Forefront enterprise idea. Technology creates perfection. The most professional R&D team, senior engineers and expert technicians, the advanced production equipment, adopt international top brand processing equipment including imported Sweden AGI WEDM LS, imported Germany, Taiwan CNC high precise carving machine, precise electric pulse and numeral lathe, grinding machine, milling machine, planing machine. Ensure quality of the machines and spare parts to supply to customers. The strict products inspection, professional inspectors, strict and perfect inspecting process. Products testing before shipment. Hongye Precise Machinery Company sincerely hopes to cooperate with all customers around of the world and create a new future together.